Oh, this one's pretty. What's up, guys? Welcome to part 3. Let's get this cooling system installed. Anytime I get a new radiator, I like to flush it out with some distilled water first, just in case there's anything left over from the machining or welding. So give it the good old Gluck Gluck 9000, or if you're a millennial, give it the old grapefruit.
The grapefruit.
All right, let's get this new radiator set up. It's literally just a fan in the box. There ain't nothing else in here. You'll see a lot of people here cutting off the OEM connectors and soldering them together. But as long as the pins are the same, you can actually just swap out the clips. It makes the install a lot cleaner, and you can probably do it in the time it takes for your soldering iron to heat up. Before you take it apart, and I probably should have said this at the beginning, but make sure to remember which pin went where on the OEM connector. The only thing I needed were these brackets. Gently remove them so you don't damage any fins. Bitch! Fucking Latrell be a show off. Wanna hear something annoying? Now we get to play with our hoses. It's usually a good idea to try to match them up beforehand. That way you don't get caught with your pants down and your hand on the wrong hose. You don't have to take out the sensor, but goddamn, it's in the way. Always inspect the tip first. It's easier to assemble this now. This way you can make sure the hose alignments are correct. Ooh, Kung Pao reference incoming.
I am a great magician. Your clothes are red.
T-Rex. Bro, the replacement actually looks worse. That's okay. Send her to the couch. Much better. Man, these things are tight. I bet you thought I was gonna put an explosion over them. The full flush should take about 1.5 liters.
0.4 gallons in Harley units, brother!
Alright, enough of that. Let's cycle this coolant.
The grapefruit.
Top it off. Damn it, every time. Why is there smoke? Don't forget to top off the coolant reservoir. God, put your top back on. Perfect. Now that she's running, make sure you check all your connections for leaks. While you're doing this, try not to brush against the header. You'll also want to make sure your hoses aren't pinched. Finally, the last piece. Oh God. And we're done with the cooling system. Alright guys, that's the end of part 3. I'm not sure what we're going to do next because I'm still waiting for a lot of stuff to come in. But I'm sorry if your significant other got mad at you because of the sound effect. But yeah, thanks for hanging out and ride safe out there.
The grapefruit.